One of the biggest reasons you start noticing wrinkles around your eyes is due to aging, and yet no two women of the same age will age the same way. Some people start to age much faster and look almost 10 years older in just a span of few months. Once you're in your 30s or 40s, you will see various reasons why your face, especially eye area, ages faster than before and wrinkles appear sooner than expected. And for some people, it takes longer. Some people age at a slower pace. Of course, you would be concerned if you're aging faster. You may want to learn more about how you can boost collagen to get rid of wrinkles and to keep up your skin elasticity before you buy all those expensive eye creams. And this is where today's video will help. I have some suggestions for home remedies to boost collagen around your eyes that you may not have tried up till now. But if you hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other skincare and face yoga videos, I have talked about a lot of lifestyle mistakes that you could be making that impact your aging tremendously. Some of the basic ones to check on your list are you drinking enough water? Are you hydrated? Whatever the weather be, sunny or cloudy, do you wear sunscreen? Even if you're going out just for a few minutes. If you smoke, then can you reduce smoking? Are you eating foods that boost collagen? Expression wrinkles, sleep wrinkles, and there are many more. But in today's video, we will talk about more than just these points and remedies. Welcome to Blush with me. I've talked about collagen in the past, but here is a quick overview of what collagen is. Collagen is a protein that is responsible for your skin elasticity and its stretchiness. As the collagen production in your skin begins to decline with age, you will notice that the skin doesn't bounce back as easily. You will see fine lines. The skin will start to sag. Collagen is what adds firmness and elasticity in the skin tissue. So see, if this is your skin, if the skin bounces back, it goes back to where it was, then it has good collagen. If you pinch it and it slowly, almost like a memory foam, takes its own sweet time to go back to where it was, that means collagen in your skin has started to deplete. Try this test around your eyes. Pinch a small pinch and release and see if your skin bounces back or not. So tip number 1 for the day is to stimulate your facial nerves with ghee and turmeric tapping. I will tell you why these two ingredients and how to use them together after I tell you more about the importance of tapping and how to perform it. After washing your face with warm water, take 1 drop of ghee with less than 1 pinch, like less than half a pinch of turmeric. Mix them well on your ring finger by tapping them together. Then tap this mix around your orbital bone without getting too close to your eyes. So no getting into the eye socket. Stay on the orbital bone. And the spots you want to cover are right here, going down here, and then all the way here. Now let's talk about the ingredients. Ghee is rich in omega fatty acids and antioxidants. It helps neutralize free radicals, it moisturizes the skin, and it gives it that shiny effect so your under eye area does not look dry and dehydrated. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory components and antioxidants, and it can positively affect your skin tissue as well as collagen in your skin. Applying turmeric by itself can be a little bit drying, but mixing it with ghee and tapping around your eyes will help you get rid of the inflammation and dryness around your eyes. I recommend doing this at least once a week and leaving it as an eye mask for about 10 minutes and then washing it off. Do not leave ghee on your skin for too long. Ghee is 100% fat. It is greasy and you will run the risk of clogging your pores if you leave it on your skin as an overnight treatment. Continue tapping for about a minute. It awakens your facial nerves. Most of us lead a stressful life and the stress hormone can break down the collagen. Tapping around your eyes stimulates blood circulation, which is directly linked to collagen production. Let me explain a little bit more about the right way of doing it. Use some amount of pressure in your ring finger. So it shouldn't just be like this, but it's like if you have a hot pan, how do you tap it to check the heat? That's how you would tap. so we want a little bit of pressure. Start by tapping on the inner eye socket area on the side of your nose, then slowly come down, tapping below your eye socket right here. Making sure you don't tap into your eye socket like I said earlier. And then you go up to your temples. Now continue going up and tap under your eyebrows and back to the inner eye socket area. These 3 points are very important energy points. Tapping in these spots will relax and heal the tense facial muscles around your eye area. So what's happening here is tapping sends a message to your brain. It tells your brain to produce more hormones that increase collagen production. After about 60 seconds of tapping, the nutrients and the blood supply in your eye area increases. Muscles in the eye area relax and the waste toxins will start to drain out. Today's video is sponsored by Nira Skincare Laser. Let me tell you what is so special about Nira that I reached out to them to include it as an important collagen boosting home remedy in today's video. But stick around to see how you can bring advanced laser skincare home. How many of you have heard of laser resurfacing? Many people spend hundreds of dollars and repeated dermatologist visits to get this procedure called laser resurfacing. It involves lasers to improve your skin texture and wrinkle. Laser resurfacing works well for your crow's feet because it heats up several layers of your skin, which promotes collagen production. I have seen the result of this procedure on some people and it looks pretty good. The skin around your eyes definitely looks much tighter. More and more people find it better than derma fillers or Botox, but the procedure is pretty expensive. That's not it. Your face may be wrapped in a dressing for several days after the procedure. Complete healing can take several weeks. But skincare technology is becoming more and more DIY friendly. So I was looking to try something similar from the comfort of my own home. This is when I came across Nira and I reached out to them and they very gladly sponsored this video. This is what the apparatus looks like. Small and portable. Nira Skincare Laser is clinically proven and FDA cleared to reduce fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes for a visible result in just 2 minutes a day, all in the comfort of your own home. You can get visible results at a fraction of the price of professional laser treatment options using the same advanced laser technology that is used by dermatologists. It boosts your body's own ability to produce collagen without any pain and redness. They are so sure that you will experience younger skin in just 90 days that they guarantee your money back if you're not happy. You can get 50% off on Nira Skincare Laser until December 5th. So I started using it just a week ago, but I see no side effects and I'm so far enjoying the results. But stay with me for the next few weeks to see my results after I complete my 90 days. I want you to take advantage of this amazing offer and save over $200 on this anti-aging device of the season. I believe in technology and I wanted to try something that can add to the benefits of my face yoga eye exercises and boost collagen production. So here is how Nira works. Clean and dry your face before using Nira Skincare Laser. Turn on the device by pressing the power button. Press and release the power button to adjust the power level. Place the device tip on your skin. Press and release the treatment button with your thumb. You will hear a series of 2 beeps. The first beep indicates the laser gun has begun firing. The second beep indicates the laser finished firing for that one spot. Every time it beeps, you will feel the warmth on your skin. Repeat this process and continue to increase the power level until you have reached a power level where you feel the warmth without the pain. I can only take level 1 or 2. Identify the reject tone. When there is no direct contact with your skin, you will hear a low-pitched beep that indicates a rejection pulse. That means it did not come in full contact with your skin. You won't feel the warmth either. If you hear this tone during the treatment, you need to reposition the device tip, making sure that it is in full contact with your skin. Take a look at this image and avoid treating the same area twice. If you do so, you may feel that the heat in your skin may build up to a point where you feel discomfort or pain. Reposition the device so it is slightly overlapping the previous treatment spot. Then press and release the treatment button again, following the 2 to 3 row pattern that you can see in the illustration. Repeat this process for 40 pulses on each eye. Once 40 successful pulses have been completed, you will hear a 3 fast-paced jingle-like tones that indicate that the treatment of that particular eye is complete. Repeat this process on the opposite eye and turn it off when you're done. 2 minutes and that's it. No downtime, no wrapping and dressing for several days. And this is why I'm very excited to see the results, and I hope you too can join me in this 90-day Neera challenge and share your experience with me. You are going to be saving $200 on this device as a special offer. When Neera sponsored this video, I requested them to give you guys a very special, like a mind-blowing offer. So saving $200 is a big deal. I see a lot of you taking advantage of this offer and joining me. A lot of you send me your before and after images on Instagram DM when you try my face exercises, and I love to see all my skincare lovers, my blushers, joining me in these challenges. Once I'm done with the laser, I also apply a drop of Neera's hyaluronic acid advanced serum around my eyes, actually my whole face, and continue with my daily skincare regime. So check it out. All the information will be in my description below. Thank you Neera Skincare Laser for sponsoring this video. Here comes the next tip. I am a huge believer that 80% of one's outer skin health depends on the health of their inner skin, especially the skin that lines your gut. You can boost your body's natural production of collagen with an herb called Brahmi. It's also known as Centella asiatica. Brahmi has become extremely popular in many Korean skin creams to support healthy skin with natural collagen production. But still, it is better to feed the body with collagen boosters from the inside out rather than from the outside in. If you find Brahmi's fresh leaves and stems, you can just make a paste, squeeze it into a muslin cloth and drink the fresh juice. Or you can even cook the leaves while you enjoy a simple vegetable stir fry, add it to a soup or a smoothie. You can consume it in various ways. This one herb has tremendous benefits. It lowers your cortisol level. Cortisol is the hormone that creates stress. Stress ages you faster. You can even take a 300 milligram of Brahmi in a capsule daily to resist stress and strain on your body and your mind. I will link some of the options for you in the description below. Next tip, anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon are powerful cleansers that cleanse your blood, your lymph, and your liver. Boil them together, and instead of adding sugar, you can add just a little bit of jaggery if you want to sweeten it a little bit. And just sip it instead of your regular tea. This anti-inflammatory turmeric collagen tea is a wonderful way to feel refreshed any time of the day. This phenomenal concoction of these 4 ingredients together will work together to rebuild your muscles, your ligaments, your skin, and overall help you stay more youthful and healthy in the long run. Let's agree that it is not fair to depend just on skincare creams because it is assumed that it is the easiest way to boost collagen in your skin. I mean, they are the first to pop up when you search collagen for skincare on Google. What is your biggest priority with your skincare? I have a very important question for you. Based on the most requested topics, I want to know if you want to see more of face yoga for skin or home remedies and the right skincare products and routines for your skin. I am Parmita and I am an image coach and a face yoga coach. For more personalized face yoga sessions, you can reach out to me on my website. I have 3 amazing face yoga packages that are reasonably priced and they are linked below. 90-day access to face yoga that's designed specifically for your eyes. The next one is for your lips and the other one is for your facial symmetry. You can let me know if you like my content by hitting that like button and sharing your positive comments below. You can also share my videos with your friends and help them make better decisions to age more beautifully and confidently. Don't miss the description section below this video. This is where you will get links to all the suggested playlists as well as the products that I have personally tried and I recommend for skincare and face yoga. Look me up on my other social media handles and follow me there too. I will see you next week. Until then, Continue to blush with me.